How to fix DNS server not responding on Windows. Here's how to fix DNS server not responding on Windows. 1. Save your work, restart the router or modem, if any. Remove the power cord from the router. Wait at least 10 seconds after all lights on the router have gone out. Reconnect the power cord to the router. Plan B, download your router settings, then reset your router. 2. Configure the TCP/IP settings. Configure the TCP/IP settings. To do this, follow these steps. Select Start Control Panel. Select View Network Status and Tasks under Networking and Internet. Select Change Adapter Settings. Press and hold, or right-click, Local Area Connection, and then select Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 6, TCP/IPv6, Properties. Select Obtain an IPv6 address automatically. Obtain DNS server's address automatically. OK. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, Properties. Select Obtain an IP address automatically. Obtain DNS server's address automatically. OK. 3. Run the following commands as admin: IP protocol configuration /flushdns, IP protocol configuration /registerdns, IP protocol configuration /release, IP protocol configuration /renew. 4. Change the DNS server. For example, enter the preferred DNS address. Zero 8.67.222.222 and enter the alternative DNS address, 208.67.220.220. 5. Disable IPv6. 6. Manually enter MAC address in your Windows. Get your MAC address via this command as admin: IP protocol configuration /all. Enter the address into network address. 7. Run the following commands as admin: net and IP reset netshare winsock reset IP protocol configuration / flushins IP protocol configuration / renew 8. Start your computer in safe mode with networking. See if you can access the web. If so, perform a clean boot and find out the troublemaker. 9. Update all your device drivers using the official resources. 10. Disable secondary or unused connections. 11. Disable Windows Update peer-to-peer feature. Disable allow downloads from other PCs option under delivery optimization. 12. Enable obtain an IP address. Automatically and obtain DNS server address automatically for Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and Internet Protocol version 6, TCP/IPv6. 13. Run the following commands as admin: IP protocol configuration / flushins IP protocol configuration / registerdns IP protocol configuration / release IP protocol configuration / renew. 14. Temporarily disable any third-party, Windows Defender, firewall. 15. Back up your personal data, reset or reinstall your Windows.